Hey there fellow coin enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a fascinating story to share with you, one that involves a seemingly ordinary coin that turned out to be worth much more than its face value. We're diving deep into the world of numismatics to explore the captivating tale of the 2019 U.S. Liberty nickel worth 5 cents. So grab your popcorn and join us on this numismatic journey to understand the significance of the 2019 U.S. Liberty nickel. Let's start with a bit of history. The U.S. Mint has been producing nickels for over a century, but in 2019 something extraordinary happened. In 2019, the U.S. Mint produced millions of these ordinary-looking nickels featuring Thomas Jefferson's portrait on one side and Monticello on the other, just like any other nickel you might find in your pocket. But as the saying goes, not all that glitters is gold. In this case, it wasn't gold, but a unique and unusual mini error that turned these seemingly ordinary coins into something extraordinary. Collectors and numismatists worldwide began to notice something extraordinary. Some of the 2019 nickels were missing the expected $0.05 denomination on the coin's face. Instead, they featured the word Liberty in its place, and so the legend of the 2019 U.S. Liberty nickel was born. Now you might wonder, what's the big deal about a missing denomination? Well, in the world of coin collecting, even the tiniest error can turn a coin into a valuable treasure. The rarity of these coins quickly made them highly sought after by collectors. Collectors scoured their change hoping to find one of these elusive error coins. Some lucky individuals stumbled upon them in their everyday transactions, while others paid close attention to their pocket change. As the demand for these coins skyrocketed, so did their value. The 2019 U.S. Liberty nickel, worth just 5 cents when minted, was now commanding hundreds and in some cases thousands of dollars in the collectors' market. Auctions and online marketplaces buzzed with activity as collectors and investors vied to add this modern rarity to their collections. The 2019 U.S. Liberty nickel became a symbol of the unexpected treasures that can be found in everyday life. The story of the 2019 U.S. Liberty nickel serves as a reminder that hidden treasures can be found in the most unexpected places. It encourages us to pay attention to the details, to be curious, and to appreciate the history and craftsmanship behind everyday objects. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just someone with a handful of spare change, this for today's video, adding 5 cents. 2019 mint mark. Nappy good. I want to sell you 5 cents United States of America USA. ANGI type standard circulation coin is 2019 value 5 cents at ANGI currency $1 composition copper nickel. ANGI weight is 5 gram. The diameter is the 2nd of November 2025 millimeter at Ankanyang thickness. I 1.95 Arang. Kanye orientation coin alignment references Panya IKM number 381 Kamasku number 381 Ankabar Spunya. The portrait of Thomas Jefferson, the third President of the United States of America, from 1801 to 1809. According to the first Rembrandt real-life study of Jefferson done in 1800, facing the viewer, accompanied with the word Liberty presented in Jefferson handwriting, surrounded with the motto "In God We Trust," Angi reverse na Mampunya, a presentation of Monticello, President Thomas J. Jefferson, Virginia, home, accompanied with the legend Monticello and surrounded with the face value in full, the motto El Glor Evo Sunim, United States of America. So Tina, my price update 2019. Mint mark ETO mint mark. NATO ID and uncirculated Panya I. 37 pesos Lampo Edenaming IPN. Uncirculated Punido I39. Paro Marin Keong mint mark S Tupas Fruit Pusha. 205 pesos uncirculated. Pusha Angi mintage mint mark Nape. 567,854,400. Common coin So in Ucoin Netpo and price update. Thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.